I mean, I like to tell people, especially in the US, that I had one grandfather in the resistance and one in the Nazi party, and then people think they understand, and then I say, and the guy in the Nazi party was entered into the party as a member of a hobby painter group because they wanted to exhibit in the lobby of the building where they worked. And the guy who was in the resistance was a violent asshole who like almost killed my mother as a child, you know, because he was physically abusive. So that's another reason I think why I'm just interested in the things that are not so obvious, that are in the gray zone.